Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize eBay listings for increased exposure. Full guide step by step clearly. Start by conducting thorough keyword research. Identify relevant keywords using tools like Google Trends or eBay's search bar suggestions. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your title. Ensure your title is clear and concise, ideally under 80 characters. Use your primary keyword at the beginning of the title for maximum impact. Next, focus on the item specifics fields. Fill out all relevant details, including brand, size, color, and condition. Completing these fields improves your listing's visibility in eBay searches. Proceed to create an engaging description. Write a detailed but easy-to-read description of the item. Highlight unique features, benefits, and any imperfections. Ensure the description includes keywords without keyword stuffing. Next, choose high-quality images for your listing. Use well-lit photos that showcase your item from various angles. Ensure the main image is of the item itself, not a box or cluttered background. Consider using a plain white background for clarity. Now, set a competitive price for your item. Research similar listings to determine the average selling price. Ensure your price reflects the item's condition and market demand. Offer free shipping if possible, as it attracts more buyers. Next, utilize eBay's promoted listings feature. Choose a percentage of the sale price to boost your visibility. Monitor the performance of your promoted listings regularly. Adjust your strategy based on what drives the most views and sales. Consider running sales or offers to create urgency. Utilize eBay's best offer feature to attract more potential buyers. Finally, maintain a high seller rating through excellent customer service. Communicate promptly and courteously with buyers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.